Hi folks, I hope you are doing well. So in this video, we are opening TradingView in our web. We will make a new TradingView profile, uh, and in this way you can easily get how to make a TradingView profile for a new user. So in Google search box, write TradingView. You can access, you can write TradingView, and this is the first website, tradingview.com. So click on, this is the home page of TradingView. So get started for free. You can click on here, or you can click like here, or you can, if you are new user on Chrome, so there is a notification, you choose to it. So click on the profile, go on sign in. So if you want to sign in with Google, you can choose this option. You can choose Facebook, your Twitter X, Yahoo, Apple ID, or LinkedIn ID, or just your another email. So sign in with your Gmail, like we are. So this is our mail. Next. Mm, because this ID is on my child ID, my child ID, so that's why we are watching this. If this is, if you are adding your own email, you will not get these notifications. So click on create no account, and here we go. You can choose your name, anything, like I said, PPF. Receive, if you want to receive any marketing or special offers from TradingView, you can check this one. I have read and agree with the terms of use and policy, privacy policy, so you can check this one too, and you can next. Mm, okay, so here we have a new count. Our new count is started. Um this is our home page. Now how can you go on charting tab? So go on products. This is on left side of the chart, with the search box. You just roll your mouse on here, and the first option is super charts. So click on super charts. So this is your chart. This is the first look chart and default settings from TradingView. Now in the next video we will set these all charting tool as our conditions as we want to set it, and as I use the TradingView. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, comment in our video, and subscribe our channel for more videos. Thank you folks.